Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to make an herbal face toner. This toner is amazing, great feedback from it. I've got some orders going, just making a little batch of it. Yeah, I just want to show you quickly of how I make this herbal face toner. Infusing this cup is rose petal, hibiscus, cranberry, raspberry, and so on, and infusing this using the double boiler method. Also, I have in here my hyaluronic acid. I also have in here my dissolved niacinamide with the panthenol, and I'm going to be using a bit of this extract. And also I've got other ingredients I needed to add into it, because this I'm selling it out. I can't give you guys all the information, but with this little one I've given on to you, yeah, it's enough for you to get that benefit. And this will help to fade hyperpigmentation. It will help to lock in moisture by hydrating your face. Yeah, it will help hydrate your face. It will help clear sunburn, help fight against acne reoccurrence, and also treat any acne and any acne scar left behind. This is an amazing product that will help with hyperpigmentation, help boost your collagen, because I'm also adding some vital ingredient, and also I'll be including this rose extra in it. And I'm using my liquid Jama Plus as our preservative. In here I've got our jelly lightening face mask, which is going out to, and yeah, so I'll show you guys quickly how I do this. You can google the benefit of this. I'm not going to go into details about the benefit of this product. Try to extract just so now we've got this. So once I add the rose petal, I'm going to measure out the quantity I need to add into it. We need to, I'm using 1%, you can 2%, I mean, so you can decide to use 1%, depends on you or the quantity. And also I'm going to be using 1%, 0.5% of the Jama Plus. So I'm going to add my preservative. So I'm using 1%. Don't do it this way, because I know what I'm doing. Yep. So next is to add our extract. So next is to add our dissolved deep panthenol with niacinamide. Then next is to add our hyaluronic acid. Stir thoroughly or use the hand blender to blend it, but once you use the hand blender to it will introduce a bit of hair that will make it a bit fluffy, as in foamy a little bit, but you have to allow it to settle down before, allow it to sit properly before you start putting it in the bottle. So thank you. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this amazing family. Click the subscribe button, and also Don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you. Our sales is on. It started yesterday on Sunday 30th. Is I made it extra. I added an extra day to it to make it till 2nd of June. So it's ending on the 2nd of June. Don't miss out. Our sales is on now, up to 50% discount. You don't want to miss out. Our products are amazing. A trial will convince you. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.